Come on. I'll sit down.
Sit down. 10 मिनिटां उपरांत डिस्कशनाक घेऊया परत विषय आणि ताजेर डिस्कशनही करूया.
10 मिनिटां उपरांत घेऊया. स्पीकर इतलेच एक रिक्वेस्ट आमच्या सगळ्यांच्या वतीन.
I want to close the deal on beef matter.
Because sir, beef is not started by us. Close the deal on beef is not started by us.
And they are not
Not started by us.
There is a question
They
there.
have not started it. Don't worry. Don't worry. We don't want a deal on the beef.
claim to be opposition,
No.
but they don't know what are the issues.
या बीफ विषयाचे 10 मिनिटं पावचीत ना त्याच्या खातीर तुम्ही स्पेशल आणि
10 मिनिटां उपरांत डिस्कशन घेऊया म्हटलं. 10 मिनिटां म्हणून ना आता 10 मिनिटां झाल्या उपरांत डिस्कशनाक घेऊया म्हटला विषय.
नाही बीफाचे सुद्धा 10 मिनिटांनी
हा घेऊया डिस्कशनाक करूया डिस्कशन 10 मिनिटांनी चढ वेळ घेऊया पण हो प्रश्न पहिली सोपोवन
सगळ्यांचो एक रिक्वेस्ट तुम्ही विड्रॉ करता म्हणा न्ही.
चीफ मिनिस्टरान काही उलोवपाक गरज ना. आपणा काय ना म्हणलें जाल्यार कोण काबार न्ही.
म्हाका दिसता आमी क्वेश्चन जो आसा पळय न्ही तो क्वेश्चन घेऊया आणि प्रश्नोत्तराचो तास सोंपलो काय डिस्कशन करूया. बाब निलेश काब्राल
Sir,
वो क्वेश्चन घेऊया.
I was permitted by Honorable
Question सोपवूया आणि
Chief
discussion
Minister
करूया.
to ask question number 2A. Honorable Chief Minister answered, but I could not hear with this. Neither I could hear Honorable Chief Minister. However, Honorable Chief Minister, I would like to again repeat my questions, Honorable Speaker. That there is
Speaker, sir, I want to make a point.
GMCL, which is the most modern arbitrator in the state of Goa.
फुकटचे हे करतले.
Sir,
म्हाका दिसता
my
डिस्कशन
only
करूया
question
10
is-
मिनिटां उपरांत.
We want to
There is
make
an
a
answer
point.
in part B.
We want to
Where
make a
Honorable,
point.
where there is an answer, the estimated sale of beef
You
based
want to
on the
make
meat
a point,
inspection
Speaker,
charges
sir. Please
paid
allow
by
us.
the beef dealers traders is approximately 2,300 to 2,400 kgs per day.
10 मिनिटांनी बिफाय जावची
Speaker
ना.
sir, I would like to ask a pointed question. I would like to give us reference and then ask Honorable Chief Minister to answer this. It is known that it is supposed to
Yes, sir,
go
please allow us.
at the beef
To
shop
make a
instead of
point.
deputing their bull attendants, veterinary assistants and pre-stamped and pre-signed receipts. Books are said that bull attendants, veterinary assistants
sir,
who are in any
please
case not
allow
authorized,
to
competent
make
to
a
check the
point.
meat simply issued a pre-stamped and pre-signed receipt of the fraction, and hence the meat traders get away with selling the hygienic produced meat.
He's giving a speech
Disease
there.
can cause harm and danger to the life and health of the unsuspecting beef eaters. Speaker sir, म्हाका एकूच हे सांगपाचें Speaker sir, that Honorable Chief Minister has to assure that these people may not be permitted to go, and the actual quantity. My question was very specific, Speaker sir. The total requirement in the beef in the state of Goa and quantity produced in the Goa meat complex. Speaker sir, I may ask Honorable CM that such inspections may be carried out by the doctors and whatever possible way. Secondly, GMFCL is the most best arbitrator in the state of Goa. My request to Honorable CM that they might be permitted, the meat
Because,
coming to
sir,
Goa may be permitted only from GMFCL because it gets safe meat. And whoever is there.
Because it looks like minister is replying there instead of asking questions.
He has asked a question which basically talks about free movement of
Speaker sir,
beef.
Speaker sir,
Yes,
बिफाचे
Goa
10
meat
मिनिटांनी
complex.
So the beef issue can be taken later on.
या विषयाचे 10
Yes,
मिनिटांनी
Goa
The beef issue can be taken later on.
and slaughter the
10 मिनिटांनी
animal.
डिस्कशन जावची ना.
We have not closed the option of getting the beef from Belgaum or some other place
स्पीकर
to ensure that there is no shortage of the meat.
उलोवप जावची ना.
The
एक्चुअली
beef.
टाइम जाय न्ही आणि
So
उलोवप
I
जाय
can
जाय.
assure him
पण
that the
येतना आता एक
inspection of the meat
स्टार्ट करा.
or the beef which comes from
Speaker
the
sir,
neighboring state
10 मिनिटांनी
will
वो
be
विषय
carried
कवर
out
जावचो ना.
through proper medical doctors or those who are authorized for it rather than by some other
Speaker
person.
sir,
Sir, my last supplementary
Sir, point of order.
Honorable CM has assured that he will look into it and find out solution. But my only submission, Speaker sir, where there is the source from which the balance of the required quantity is produced.
थोडीशी कळ सोसा त्याचेर पूर्ण डिस्कशन जातालें हांव अजूनही सांगता.
This issue
5 minutes only.
is
Giving you time.
if there is a
Giving you
shortage,
time, just
will
wait
the
for 6
government
minutes.
think of
Point of order.
for the consumption of the state of Goa?
गडबडीन घेऊ नका.
Speaker sir. Speaker sir.
तांणी मायक कंट्रोल कर.
Speaker sir. Speaker sir. Speaker sir. Speaker sir.
ऑफिसर बंद करते गेले. ऑफिसर बंद झाले.
ऐकून
झाले
घ्या.
पाच
बंद
मिनिटं-
करा म्हणला.
पाच मिनिटं चालू-
कंट्रोल करा म्हणला.
Speaker sir, please allow us to speak.
कंट्रोल कर म्हणला. कंट्रोल आणि बंद हातून फरक आहा.
Speaker sir, please allow us to speak.
उलयतात.
स्पीकर सर
म्हजो हांव कंट्रोल करूंक शकता. तुजो हांव कंट्रोल करूंक शकना.
स्पीकर सर.